How to turn on calls on Snapchat application? For that, open the Snapchat and tap on the bottom left corner chat icon. Once you get access to your chat page, you have to tap and hold the user that you want to activate the calls of. Once you have done that, you have to tap on chats and notification settings. Here you need to select the notification settings option. And now make sure you have not muted the calls of this user. If it has been toggled on in this way, you have to simply untoggle the button of mute calls. So that's how we turn on the calls on Snapchat app. So this was one way. The other one is you have to go back from here and go to the settings of your mobile device. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on app management and search for Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app info page. Scroll down and tap on permissions. Here make sure you have the permissions of microphone allowed on Snapchat app. If it is not, then you have to simply tap and open the microphone and you have to tap on allow button, and this will allow the app's permission of microphone app. So that's how we turn on calls of a Snapchat application. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.